Okay, so pin 1 is towards me. So you can see I cleaned the jam harness a little bit of wires I don't need. So pin 1's towards me. What's this say? I think the top one's player 3 and the bottom one's player 4. Okay guys, so I've preliminary kind of got these wires where I need them. Player 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 and 4 coin buttons, 1 and 2 coin buttons. So I'm gonna continue on with routing wires. Alright guys, so let's see if I can get around in here. So I got these 2 purple wires, they're coin switches, and they're running with the 1 and 2 coin switches up right there in the center. And then they come over to this side. And I have 2 12-volt powers and 2 grounds coming from the power supply along the floor and up the center column. So, sorry guys, I'm kind of... So out this door is a 12-volt positive, a negative, and coin switch 3 and 4. And out this door is a 12-volt positive, a ground, and coin switch 1 and 2. So I'm gonna start working on separating and using these things right here, whatever the wire ties. I'm gonna start wire tying the control panel down, and then I'm going to drill holes in the control panel to mount the sticks, and then I'm gonna start making daisy chains for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or probably just 3 and 4, because I think I only have enough clips to do a couple controllers, so I'll probably just do 3 and 4 because most of these are already pinned for 3 and 4. So it'll take me less, and I'll have enough. I only have like 20 of these, so if I combine them with these ones, I can get probably player 3 and 4 running. Alright guys, I got the sticks bolted down, and I got the latches, or the latch catches, or whatever you call them, bolted on. So I went to put the wico button in here, and I gotta admit, I have never installed a wico button yet. I mean, into a control panel that I've made. I've seen them like on the NARC and stuff. I just haven't paid that much attention to them. So basically, this cup needs to sink down into the board. So I'm going to have to recess these holes like I did these pockets, except for maybe deeper. And then I may have to do it deep enough and then recess an area for this piece to fit in. So basically this whole piece is level with the board, I'm thinking. So now I'm gonna have to take the joysticks back out and these off, because I believe I'm going to have to do more working on this board here. Perfect. That's a big time. Uh-oh. I wish I would have known this. Alright, we'll see what I can do, guys. Okay, guys, after some long considerations, if I recess that wood enough to make this fit, I fear it's too thin. But if I can recess the wood some and shorten this piece right here, well, I think I can adapt it and make it work and it still be plenty strong. And how am I going to do this? I got 8 of these to do. Then I'm going to have 8 of them to do for Simpsons. I came up with an idea. It's shady as shit, but it just may work. Yeah, that's right, guys. I told you it was shady. Six more to go. Okay, guys, in case you're wondering what I see, seems a little bit crooked. Let me get this straightened up so you can see my entire rig. My hands are all the way back here, guys. So the worst thing that's going to happen is that it comes kicking out at me. No, I don't suggest you try this at home. I am a professional hillbilly. Just cut it through like that. That'll snap off. Then I'm going to take these over to the belt sander and smooth the bottoms out. I have all 8 cut. So this kind of just will pop off like this. Then I'm going to run them down on the belt sander. So this is the belt sander I'm using, guys. Just flattening them out. Okay, guys, got my wico buttons mounted. As you see, I had to cut the plastic down shallower, and then I grooved carved the wood out here a little bit. Kind of did like a you know, meet in the middle type thing. So they're in there. There's plenty of wood to support them and everything. So I'm going to put the sticks back in. I'm going to put the leaf switches on. I'm going to mount the hinge. And See if when I mount it to the box it's centered. It should be, but man, I hope so. Alright guys. I gotta find the you know, dust cover and clip and stuff for underneath for this one. I have the hinge on. It's pretty much lined up. It's to that side just a hair, but I don't think it's enough to cry about or try to do anything about, because you're going to try to move it and you're going to hit the same hole regardless. So I think that's all I'm going to do for tonight on this video, guys. Had the fits with this control panel, so I'm just gonna walk away from it for a little bit. So next video I'll run the daisy chain, and I'll run, you know, the command wires to all the buttons and left, right, up, down type thing, and maybe I'll get working on the coin doors. I'm pretty sure that I think I can put the back on this and move it to its spot, because everything I need to do is in the front, you know. The marquee glass, the bezel, the monitor glass, the coin doors, the stuff in the control panel. It can all be done from the front, so I think I can get it out of here so the kids can watch TV again in this room instead of my wife's living room, and everyone will be happy again. Alright, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and don't bitch about the saw, guys. My hands were way far away from that shit. Alright, peace.